When it comes to suitcases, durability is one of the most important factors for me. So I decided to do a luggage durability test with this luggage I found from Amazon. I threw it down the stairs, stood on it, and even threw it off the balcony with a little bit of my husband's help. And you can see the results afterwards. And here's the suitcase after the durability test. As you can see, it looks perfectly fine. There are some minor dings and scratches on the corners, but otherwise it withstanded every single test I put it through. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out. You can get this exact model in different colors on Amazon and upgrade your travel experience.